Greetings. So I just got off stage and I did my talk on natural health, and you should totally check it out. But just to summarize, basically what I said is health is natural and you really don't need supplements and vitamins and chiropractics and essential oils and all of these natural healthcare techniques that we have, which are way better than Western medical healthcare, which, I'm not going to get into in this session, which is just more unhealthy, honestly, than it is healthy 99% of the time. But in summary, health is natural, and it is actually being unhealthy that is unnatural. And I live by the sort of philosophy or the motto that let thy food be thy medicine. And that goes even deeper into living naturally. Living a healthy lifestyle is your medicine, and therefore you don't need medicine. So the more natural, the more holistic that you live, the less medicine that you even need. Now, with that being said, I'm the founder of the Garden of Eden. It's a sustainable community over a decade now. We carry a supplement line, and the most important or the most successful ones that we carry are here right before us. And I carry all of these for a very specific reason. And one is because most of these are actually supplements or medicines that you can't get from food. And so even if you let food be thy medicine, sometimes shit happens, right? Sometimes, even though we live a healthy life, a holistic life, a preventative life, sometimes shit still happens. And when that happens, thank God we have technology, thank God we have medicines, we have tinctures, we have remedies, and thank God we have an alternative to Western medicine, to pharmaceuticals, which is sort of the standard go-to now, but realistically it's very recent. It wasn't that long ago the pharmaceuticals didn't even exist. And this is a really important point to make. I'm not saying the pharmaceuticals never have their place. They never have a place in healing or helping or saving someone's life. But honestly, 99% of the time, you can get the results that you want to improve your health, to improve your physical condition, your mental condition with natural medicines versus using pharmaceuticals. So we're not going to, get into that any more than that now. You either agree or you disagree. So right before me, we have our most popular, our most successful, our most important, natural, sustainable health supplements. And I'm going to start here with our number one, not only in our sales, but also in my mind, for your money. If there's one medicine or one supplement you're going to get for your money, I really feel like food grade hydrogen peroxide really is the one to go. And so I don't know how much you know about that. I'm just going to assume you don't really know anything.